My name is Jay McBain. I'm the Principal Analyst for Forrester Research. It's interesting when you look at the history of the channel technology space. Today there's 106 companies on the stack, and I predict that there's going to be 4 or 5 winners. The reason I predict that is 20 years ago, CRM had over 300 companies competing. And then there was about 4 or 5 winners. We know who those are today. 10 years ago, marketing automation had about 150 companies competing for that space. And we know who the 5 winners are today. Now we have 106 companies in the channel stack, and in the third stage, I predict it's going to be the same thing. We're going to have 4 or 5 horizontal winners in this space. The reason it's got so fat so quickly is because there's about 90 different parts of the average channel program. Regardless of the industry you're in, it's a pretty complex thing. And the barrier to entry to get in to solve one of those 90 problems is pretty low. Sales and marketing over the last 20 years have changed pretty significantly. Over 20 years ago, as a salesperson, you'd walk around thinking that it was all gut feel, you were born to be a salesperson, and that changed with the advent of CRM. Now it became a science. VPs of sales got into the boardroom at the 7th decimal point of accuracy. 10 years ago, marketing automation did the same thing for marketing. You would have heard people walking around saying 50% of marketing dollars are wasted. We just don't know which 50%. That's gone. Marketing automation has the VP of marketing in the boardroom competing for those same dollars at multi-decimal points of accuracy. And in the channel, what I call the third stage is the same thing. We need to allow channel chiefs to get into that boardroom, to go after that investment and get them to that same level of accuracy.